Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download OBS Studio for Mac. On your computer or mobile phone, go to Google and search OBS Studio on the search tab. After that, select Download. And it will bring you to the download landing page. You can download OBS for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Since this video is for Mac, we will choose the Mac icon in the middle. And when you scroll down, you will see the download button. Then select and download what is compatible to your Mac OS. For example, let's download this, and it will bring you into the new tab. And the download has started. And that is how you download OBS Studio for Mac. Now let's move on and install OBS. Here in the top right corner, open the downloaded file. Now to install the OBS, select and drag into the Applications folder, and the installation process will automatically begin. It will take at least 2 minutes to install. And that's it. Now you downloaded the OBS Studio to your Mac. If you find this video helpful to you, please like and subscribe for more videos.